Are you looking to make a career change? Or perhaps you're ready to start a freelance business of your own. If so, shouldn't it be in an industry where there is incredibly high demand? Where the basic services that you offer are easy to learn? And shouldn't it increase your value, both in the job market and as a freelance professional? And let's face it, it should pay pretty well too. And what's the point if it's not both fun and fulfilling? And while we're at it, it should provide a lot of time flexibility. After all, there's a lot of life to be experienced outside of work. And finally, it should be location independent. Have internet? We'll travel. If you're ready for a change, perhaps it's time to become a social media pro. Find out more at socialmediapro.com.